Guys, it's Alana with the FriendlyBands SunshineLoom. Today we're going to be making the triple band. And before we begin, let's pick out our colors. I already have my rubber bands organized in the lid that I keep underneath my SunshineLoom. Today I'm going to be using the light pink, yellow, light blue, and white. Alright, let's get started. We're going to start over on the start side. And for the triple band, we're going to place overlapping singles on each of the circles, so the outer, the middle, and the inner. I'm going to start with my pink, and we're going to go from peg 24 to 1. And then I'm going to use yellow from 1 to 2. Light blue from 2 to 3, and then I'm going to keep repeating my pattern all the way around till my selected size. Alright, so I'm getting closer to my size here. I'm actually going to stop one peg before my selected size. Today I'm making a small, so that would be peg 17. I'm going to stop at peg 16. Now we're going to move back over to the start side and do the middle circle. So I'm going to start at peg 24 to 25. That's going to be my pink. I'm doing a design where it's sort of a V shape. So it's going to be pink here, and then yellow here, light blue, and then we're just going to repeat the pattern all the way around. And then I'm going to do a pink rubber band from peg 39 to 40 in my case. You want this to be one peg ahead of your outside circle. I'm going to move back around to my start side and work on the inner circle. So same thing, peg 24 to 48, and then I'm going to repeat my pattern all the way around. Okay, and once we're over here on the hook side, I'm going to place a diagonal band from peg 63 over to peg 40, just up to the middle, and then the same thing on the other side. Now we're ready to go back to our start side, and we're going to place our crossbars. So I'm going to use white today. You're going to skip these first four here, or I'm sorry, these first three, and you're going to make V's with the bottom being towards the start side. And we're going to continue this just all the way around. Now we're at this last bit here, these last 4. You're going to skip these 3, and you're going to take the color that you made your diagonals with and do a double loop on this last peg. So pull, twist, and loop over. Just like that. So now we're done with step 1, setting the pattern, and this is what your pattern should look like on the Sunshine Loom. And we're going to move on to step 2, locking the pattern in place. So you're going to grab your hook, and on the hook side, we're going to hook the double loop, turn your hook so that your hook is facing this side here, and then pull up the top rubber band, which should be for your outside circle. Okay, and now we're going to hook all the way down the outside. And just push back that white rubber band and hook. Now we're getting to the end here. You're going to hook over this pink band from peg 1 to 24. And we're going to move back over to the hook side. And we're going to grab, again, we're going to hook back this double loop here and grab the top band. It should be that outside band here. Pull that over. And we're going to hook the inner circle. Okay, we're at the end here. We're going to hook the band from peg 48 over to peg 24 and move back over to the hook side. And we're just going to hook the middle circle just as we have the inner and outer. This one's actually a little faster. You don't have to push back the white band here. You can just move through. And that may happen, your band may have slipped off. That's alright, just go ahead and put it back on. And at the end here, we're going to move the rubber band from peg 25 to peg 24. Now you have a couple of options with this last band. I like to add another one just to make this a little less bulky. So I take my next color, attach it to my hook, you can see that there, and then pull it through. And then this is what I'm going to put my FB link on. So this is before our final step, removing the bracelet from the, from the Sunshine Loom. You're going to put your FB hook back. What's nice is that you don't need an extension at this end. Our circular design makes it so that your bracelet goes all the way around your wrist. We're just going to pull that off, tugging from side to side, and attach these two ends. Just like that. And there you have it. That's the triple band from the FriendlyBands Sunshine Loom. Bye guys. See you later.